she might just give you all a great big kiss. What a great big kiss. There it is. Well, Keto's also learned to mimic some animal sounds, and here's one of my favorites. Hey, Keto, what does a tiger say? That is a pretty scary tiger. In case that was too scary for some of you, she has another impression that's just a little bit tamer. What's your kitty cat? Yeah. Nice tame little kitty cat. Well, Keto is great at those animal sounds, but what she's best known for is her singing ability. And she has a fun song about a barnyard chicken that I think you guys might just recognize. I'm pretty sure she's excited to sing for you today. You ready, Keto? Let's sing.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Oh, and on that farm had a oh, a parrot, everywhere, oh, MacDonald had a farm. Oh.
There you go. Good job, little girl. Yeah, that's a lot of fun. She did that behavior very well. She got one of her favorite treats for it, a peanut. And that's how we do all of our training here is with positive reinforcement. So what that means is anytime they do behavior we want them to do, they get a special treat for it. Well, Keto, you and all your barnyard friends did a fantastic job, but I think it's time for you to go. So can you tell everyone goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good job, little girl. One amazing little bird. Thank you very much, Carrie. Oh, I have to tell you though, guys,